What's up, guys? I'm your host CC, and today's episode it's gonna be another honey-do list episode. Why? For two reasons. One, my wife has a beautiful imagination, and two, I love my wife. So, in today's episode, we're gonna make a sliding garbage bin under the sink. Join me, and well, let's have some fun and make a happy wife, happy life.
I'm a drop in the ocean, just a face in a crowd waiting to be seen. Big dreams set in motion. I wanna go where no one's ever been. I would climb the highest mountain. I would
So, good news, bad news. Bad news is because of the plumbing, I cannot put the here. Let me get this one. So, because of the plumbing, the garbage needs to be on the side, basically. So, might as well. I have this extra space that I cannot go higher than this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a new piece of wood here, and I'm gonna make storage for the empty garbage bags. So, basically, when I'm gonna pull out the garbage, it's gonna be garbage bags here.
aim for the sky. Yeah, I really thought we'd make it. Got my head in the clouds, but I can see the world from up here, from up here, from up here. The world from up here, from up here, from up here. Can see the world from up here.
Now, trying to install the back, I realized that if I'm going to put the slide, here, let me see if I can. So, this one, originally I wanted to look like this one in here, right? So, and have an extra. However, if I need the slide in, it means that here I need to go like this. So, in here I can do it like this, but on this side, since I want to keep the extra, I guess I can do some calculation how high it's going to be the slide here and basically make a channel in here so I can put the slide without affecting anything. So, okay, well, let's do some math and begin.
Go ahead, call me crazy. I always see the good in everyone. Blue-eyed and naive, wow. Way up here, I can see the sun. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea, just so I could make you.
So, I finished everything and I was so proud of myself because, let me see if I can show you too. It's all flush here, it's perfect. I'm like, yes! Then I realized, wait a second, I'm going to put here a bottom. So, definitely I won't be able to use this one. So, long story short, I was supposed to put it on this side, which it wouldn't bother me at all. So, well, I guess goodbye to this one. Let's cut a new one.